Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Caribbean-style coleslaw. First, you'll need to gather your main ingredients. About 1/2 head of green cabbage, 2 medium carrots, and 1 sweet bell pepper, preferably red or yellow. For the dressing, have on hand 1 cup of good quality mayonnaise, the juice of 1 fresh lime, and 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar. These simple components form the foundation of our delicious dish. Now, let's get those vegetables ready. Start by finely shredding your 1/2 head of green cabbage. You want thin, delicate strips for that perfect coleslaw crunch. Next, grate your 2 medium carrots and finely dice your 1 sweet bell pepper. Once all your vegetables are prepped, gently combine them in a large mixing bowl, ensuring an even distribution of colors and textures. This step is crucial for a visually appealing and tasty coleslaw. The dressing is where the Caribbean magic is made. In a separate bowl, whisk together 1 cup of mayonnaise, the fresh juice of 1 lime, and 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar until smooth. For that authentic Caribbean kick, carefully add a very small amount of finely minced Scotch bonnet pepper. Finally, stir in about 2 tablespoons of fresh chopped cilantro or parsley for a vibrant, aromatic finish. Almost there, gently pour your zesty Caribbean dressing over the mixed vegetables in the large bowl. Using a spatula or tongs, toss everything together until all the vegetables are evenly coated. For the best flavor, cover the bowl and chill your coleslaw in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes. This allows the flavors to meld beautifully. Also, for more great deals and to check out the Echo Dot smart speaker, be sure to look for the link in the description below. Serve chilled and enjoy this refreshing side dish.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.